too.
Hi, Joy.
What you doing?
Not much. Getting our pictures taken.
What do you think of the toys?
I don't know what to think. I think there's a dog running around in here.
There is.
Makes me a little nervous.
You're cute.
We're as cute as they come.
You are.
We are. Do you like our colors?
I do. I think you're gorgeous.
I wish my other brother would start talking. He's kind of quiet.
He's kind of nosy.
Yeah.
So you guys looking for homes, I hear.
Oh, yeah. Do you think it'll be hard?
I don't think so.
Look at our eyes. They're so nice.
I see. No, there's your brother.
Oh, hi.
Can you talk for a minute?
No,
No, you're the quiet one in the house, huh? All right, good. Okay, well, so guys.
No.
Yep.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Is that my house in there?
I think it's your new home.
Oh, hello.
So, you came from Allegheny.
Allegheny? What's that?
You were trailer park kittens.
We were trailer park kittens.
Yeah.
We're not going to be trailer park kittens anymore.
I don't think so.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
You need to tell my brother to get back here.
Oh, okay, and we gotta go.
Oh, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.